Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail account in 2026. Before deleting your Gmail, make sure you back up all of your data. Your emails, Google Drive files, YouTube history, Google Photos, and everything linked to your account. The best way to do this is using Google Takeout. So go to google.com and type in takeout.google. Click on the first result. By the way, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Now select all the data that you want to save. You want to save the Firebase dynamic links and anything that you want to include in the backup. Once you're done choosing the data that you want to include, click on the next step. Now choose the file type like a zip file or a TGZ. Then choose the file size, 2 gig, 4 gig, 10 gig, and 50 gig. Lastly, click on Export. Once it's ready, download the archive to your computer. So while you're exporting the data, go ahead and update all the services linked to your Gmail. For example, change the login emails on Spotify, Netflix, banking apps, and other important accounts. Additionally, cancel any paid Google subscriptions tied to this Gmail. This avoids losing access to important services later on. Since this process can take a long time, possibly hours or days, let's say that you have downloaded all of your data and you're ready to delete your Gmail. Now go to your Google account, click on Manage your Google account, navigate to the Data and Privacy, then scroll down, then click on Delete your Google account. The last step is you have to enter your password to verify that it's you. Afterwards, you'll have to follow the prompts. Google will then show you a summary of what will be deleted: Gmail, YouTube, Calendar, Google Play content, and many more. If you're sure, there will be a tick box there that you can click on Yes, I want to permanently delete my Google account, and then click Delete my account. By the way, if you deleted your account by accident, you have a short grace period to recover it. All you have to do is go back to google.com and type in Deleted Gmail Account Recovery. Click on the first result. Click on Follow the steps to recover your account. Then type in the email or the phone number associated with your Gmail account. Click on Next and follow the steps to restore your account. Keep in mind, after the recovery period, which is usually 48 hours to a few weeks, the account and all data will be permanently gone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.